guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. So in today's video we're going to make chocolate banana squares. So first you're going to take 3 bananas and you're going to mash them just like that. You just mash. Once you're done mashing the bananas, you're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil and also a 1/4 cup of sugar, and you're just going to mix everything together. After mixing the sugar and the oil together, you're going to add 2 eggs, but one at a time. You add one and then you beat it, and then you add the other one, just like that. Once you're done beating the eggs, you're going to add 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, and then you're also just going to mix everything together. Add 1 teaspoon of caramel essence, or you can also add vanilla essence. You can add either or, it both works. Once we're done mixing the wet ingredients, we're going to move on to the dry ingredients. So you're going to take a sieve and add 1.5 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and also 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and you're just going to sieve everything together. Using a spoon, you're just going to break down the huge lumps of cocoa powder just like that, so that they'll be incorporated into the flour mixture. Mix everything together. Make sure you scrape also, like on the bottom there'll be flour there, just make sure you scrape it, but don't over mix your butter. After mixing the butter, it should look something like that, and then you're going to take a greased baking tray and you're going to pour your butter into that tray, and you're also going to level the top of the butter just so that it's a little bit level. You wouldn't want the cake to be huge on the top and flat on the sides. So yeah, just do that, and then you bake it at 160 for 55 minutes. After 55 minutes, your cake should look something like that. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.